Are you winning, son? Son?
Now that they'll actually be there. Stefan is dead. Stefan is dead. I know he's dead because I like this way better than the original skin.
What's it look like though? You can't really see it that well. You know,
Well,
like I
let's
see the
start the
bone
game
skull
and
head,
look.
but like we gotta start the game so we can see. Let's all stand around Adam and go nightmare, 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 nightmare. And you haven't played Bandit yet, Stefan? No, you haven't, because you thought you had that on.
Oh, actually, it's pretty snappy.
Larry.
Alex, he died. I have to get the chest.
Why were you just like...
I wasn't gonna actually get it, but then he died.
Shit. I have fallen! I have fallen!
Yo.
And I cannot get up! Jesus Christ, how much y'all get?
I got, well, there's also Titanic Neurals. I got a Neural and 2 Ukes.
Oh, cool. I got 8 Neural.
Stefan got robbed.
What a fun and enjoyable game.
I may or may not have taken 3 weeks in a row.
Bro, the bandit's robbing.
Sorry, Steph, now you want something.
Bro, you owe all the cummies already! It's only stage 1!
You're in so much cummy debt, it's unreal. It's better than what it used to
Larry,
be.
I would love a speed.
The speed is pinged.
Thank you so much for the Goku.
Isn't that what you got from the chest that you opened after he died?
Yep.
See, all the rights have been wronged.
Yes.
We've come full circle.
All the cummies have been repaid.
We've come in full circle.
Cummy redistribution.
I'm a bandit. I'm a trickster.
I'm not getting sucked off.
Pissing and shitting and farting and coming and farting and shitting and pissing and farting and coming and farting and pissing and
to
shitting.
God, I will close this store. So help me God.
Dude, this boss is dead. I have 4 armor-piercing rounds. He doesn't stand a chance.
Can't wait for this.
He's not gonna stand a chance.
Are you sure about that?
Oh, I'm just gonna die.
Oh, there's still a chance. You were right, Stefan. You just had to go and die to prove your point.
Stefan, you don't get any.
Stefan's alive? Oh, I thought he was dead.
He's dead.
Why does he have a health bar? Wait.
Bro, I'm literally standing next to you.
Dead on my screen.
There is a overloading Elder Lumerian coming to kill somebody.
It better not be me. Shit.
I think it's me.
Oh, these
there's
things
a
are
new-
just gonna kill me.
There's
Oh
a
my
new
God.
type of elite for, like, just moon things.
Yeah, they're just gonna kill me.
What?
You jumped
Yep.
out. You jumped out.
That's dumb.
I was really hoping you were just gonna bonk your head on the fucking top.
Press shift. when
Back
you-
down he goes.
Oh, you could just land on the bounce pad again.
That was stupid. swear, bro. There, now I have to be in. Jeez.
Oh man.
I just remembered I have a test that's due in like fucking 50 minutes. I gotta do that after this.
Well, please.
Yeah, right after you give me my masteries.
Yeah.
Everyone put on your big boy pants.
I can't click on it. Okay,
My
now.
big boy pants are on.